Alright, so before we make our pasta, we're gonna make some garlic bread. To make the butter, we just need to grate a clove of garlic and measure out some oregano and salt. The butter should be left out about an hour before doing this step to make it easier to mix. Cut a few pretty thick pieces of bread and spread the butter evenly over both sides. Toast in an oven set to 425 degrees Fahrenheit for 4 minutes, flip, and toast for another 4 minutes or until they're golden brown and they look delicious. Okay, so now we have some salted water boiling for our pasta and butter melting for our sauce. This is all gonna happen pretty fast, so make sure you have everything measured out and by your side before you start. So once your butter is melted, whisk in the flour and continue whisking to prevent lumps. Now stir in the garlic and keep the pan moving to prevent it from burning. Right away, we're gonna whisk in the milk and cream. Once it's all combined, we'll turn it down to low and start cooking the pasta. After a few minutes, add in the parmesan, some more butter because why not, chili flakes, and roasted chicken. So right now we're just warming everything up and melting the cheese. To make our sauce, we'll add some of that starchy pasta water and let it keep going for a few minutes. So once the pasta is cooked, use a spider to bring it into the pan. I like this method compared to draining into a colander because it keeps the pot of pasta water nearby if my sauce gets too thick. So once your pasta is simmering in the sauce, you can adjust the seasoning with salt and also adjust the consistency because you want it to look pretty runny before you plate. Alright, let's carefully empty the pasta onto the plate. We'll garnish with some more cheese, some lemon juice to brighten everything up, some fresh parsley, and fresh cracked pepper. Give your plate a quick wipe and you're ready to eat a delicious chicken Alfredo-style pasta that you made at home.